Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel DramaBox subscription. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to the DramaBox application. After opening the application, you will see this interface where you'll have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, choose Settings. When you choose Settings, you will see an option saying Membership Management. Click here, and as you can see, I have not subscribed to DramaBox where it says subscribe now. When I click on subscribe now, I'll be able to buy a subscription. But if you want to cancel your subscription, you will see the cancel subscription button here instead of subscribe now if you'll have a subscription. So you can cancel your DramaBox subscription from here. Another way to do this is if you're subscribed to DramaBox from Play Store, what you'll have to do is simply navigate to Google Play Store, click on your profile icon at the top right, choose Payments and Subscriptions, choose Subscriptions, and here you will see DramaBox appearing where you will see the cancel membership button appearing. When you click on cancel membership, it will instantly cancel the DramaBox subscription. Now, if you're signed up on DramaBox with PayPal, you'll have to just go to PayPal, go to subscriptions, scroll down to DramaBox and hit cancel. And that will instantly cancel your subscription for DramaBox on PayPal. And the same goes for iPhone. Simply open your iPhone, go to Settings, then to your Apple ID, and then navigate to the Subscriptions tab and cancel the DramaBox subscriptions just by hitting the cancel button there. So by doing this, you can also cancel your subscription on PayPal and iPhone. So these were the two ways through which you can easily cancel your DramaBox subscription. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.